It is important that you do not insert the infusion set prior to receiving in-person training. To load the infusion set, hold it by the blue handle and place it into the quick serter. Make sure the blue handle and tubing are lined up with the tubing slot. Hold the serter firmly with one hand. Use your index and middle fingers of your other hand to firmly seat the infusion set into the inner barrel. Be careful that you do not put pressure on the blue button, as this will prevent the infusion set from locking in place. You can check to make sure that the Quick-set has been properly loaded into the serter by holding the blue handle of the infusion set and lifting the quick serter. Place a finger on the edge of the needle guard to ensure the infusion set does not become dislodged. Remove the paper backing by gently lifting up one tab at a time. With the serter in one hand, pull down the blue button until the two white buttons click into place. Hold the serter with your fingers away from the two white buttons. Twist and loosen the needle guard, then pull it straight up to remove it. Here are some commonly recommended areas for infusion sites. Rotating your site is key to keeping your infusion sites healthy. When choosing your new infusion site, make sure it's at least 2 to 3 inches away from your previous site. Clean your infusion site properly with a prep wipe. Allow your site to air dry. To insert the infusion set, place the quick serter flat against your body over the prepped infusion site. Do not pinch up your skin. With the serter secure against your body, press the two white buttons at the same time to insert the set. Put a finger on the blue handle to hold the infusion set in place. Push down on the top of the blue button to release the infusion set from the quick serter. Now, pull the serter away from your body. Place your fingers on the infusion set and pull the introducer needle straight out. Smooth down the adhesive. Using the blue handle, fold the introducer needle in half until it locks in place. Be careful you do not touch the needle when performing this step. Dispose of the introducer needle properly. Now that the introducer needle is removed, the cannula is empty and will need to be filled with insulin. The amount needed to fill the cannula depends on the length of the cannula you are using. The 6 mm cannula requires 0.3 units of insulin, and the 9 mm cannula requires 0.5 units of insulin. To fill the cannula, press ACT. The Fill Cannula screen will appear with either dashes or the amount you previously set to fill your cannula. If necessary, change the amount by using the arrow buttons, then press ACT. The pump will begin to fill the cannula. After this step is completed, your pump will beep or vibrate once and return to the home screen.